Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the fourth problem in exercise 2.2. What you have to do, you have to find zeros of the polynomials in each case. They will give one polynomial. Polynomials usually denoted with p of x, f of x, g of x, q of x, like that. So don't write capital letters g of x like this to denote the polynomial. Always you have to use small letters, p of x, small letter, q of x, small letter, r of x, small letter. Like this small letters you have to use to denote the polynomials. Now, if polynomial is given, what you have to do? You should find zero of the polynomial. I said the definition for zero of the polynomial. This is called polynomial. X plus 2 is called polynomial. Its name is f of x. So this x plus 2, when it becomes a 0, that value of x means what value you have to substitute in place of x to make this entire value to be 0, that value of x is said to be called as 0 of the polynomial. Now, to find 0 of the polynomial first, the given polynomial should be equated to 0. First step, what you have to do? Equate this with 0. What is f of x? In question they given f of x is nothing but x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to how much? 0. You should make x as subject. X as subject means plus 2 should take to right hand side. It becomes minus 2. Means minus 2 is called 0 of the polynomial. Means minus 2, if you substitute in place of x, minus 2 plus 2, entire polynomial is becoming 0. Therefore, this minus 2 is called 0 of polynomial x plus 2. Do you understand or not? Nothing is there. It's very easy. Small problems. So what you have to do is second question. F of x is equal to x minus 2. You can say very fastly. Okay. So make f of x a subject first, equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. This 2 is called 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Like remaining you can do, and one question, f of x is equal to px. Here also same. Make f of x is equal to 0, equate f of x is 0. Px is equal to 0. Make x as subject. It is also 0. P take to this side. 0 by p is 0 only. So, like this you have to find the zeros of the polynomials. Okay. Next problem. What is the next problem? Fifth question. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of p. One polynomial is given, p of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. 2 is 1 0 of the polynomial. It is also given for us. You should find the value of a. You have to find the value of a. You should find a value. Now try to understand the question first. Try to understand the question. It is a polynomial. The degree of this polynomial is 2. So this polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Then in this quadratic polynomial, how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros will be there. 1 0 is given. I said, what is the definition of 0 of the polynomial? In place of x, if you substitute 2, the entire value of this polynomial becomes 0, I said. Okay. Since 2 is 0 of the polynomial, okay, we have P of 2 must be 0. So because 0 the polynomial means already you know about it. This 2 is 0 the polynomial given. Means in place of x if you substitute 2, the entire value becomes 0 or not. What is P of 2? Like this problems are done in smaller classes. P of x given, P of 2 you have to find it. In right hand side, wherever x is there you should write 2. 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now simplification, this 2 don't multiply, first 2 square, 2 into 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. 6 and 7a, 6 plus 7 you should not do addition, it is 7a. 7a means a plus a plus a plus etc. So 6 is number, this is also number, 2 4s are in how much? 8. 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. 8 minus 6 how much? 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. 7a if you make a subjective, plus 2 take to that side, minus 2. A is equal to how much? Minus 2 by 7. So the value of a is minus 2 by 7. Okay, like this you have to do it. Next we will go for 6th question. Nothing else, see 0, 2 is 0 the polynomial given, so P of 2 must be equal to 0. P of 2, P of x given, P of 2, wherever x is there you have to substitute 2 and simplify it. Okay, you will get the answer. Next problem is if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find the values of a and b. It is very important for essay questions. What they will give is 0 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial. So I am writing given. Okay. What is polynomial? What polynomial they given here? 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. It is one polynomial they given. This is polynomial, 2 zeros given. First what you have to know is this polynomial is cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial how many zeros will be there? 3 zeros will be there. How many they given? 2 they given. Okay. So since 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, P of 0 is 0 and P of 1 also 0 only. Means 0 of the polynomial, definition is nothing but this value if you substitute in place of x, this entire becomes 0. Same thing I written, P of 0, see P of x means this much, P of 0 means in this where x is there you have to write 0. 2 into 0 cube, 3 into 0 square, a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. See 0 cube is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 square is 0, 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into a also 0. So at last you got b is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Next come to second part. What is another 0 the polynomial? 1. Means P of 1 must be 0 because 1 is 0 the polynomial. In RHS wherever x is there substitute 1. 2 into 1 cube, 3 into 1 square, a into 1 plus b is equals to 0. Don't multiply 2 and 1 now. First 1 cube simplified. 1 cube is 1 only. 1 square is also 1. A into 1, a plus b is equal to 0. 2 ones are 2 minus 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equals to 1. But it is equation number 2. What is the value of b here? 0. Substitute b value in this one. So a plus 0 is equal to 1. If 0 is added to a only, a is equals to 1. So you found the values of a and b are not. A is 1, b is 0. Okay. Next, how to do divisions of the polynomial. Okay. How to do divisions, we'll see it. So here, small division I will say today, 3x square plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Same, these divisions are like 8 divided by 2. So what is this? It is dividend. What is this? It is divisor. If it is there like this, how we have to write dividend here, divisor here? You should read 2 table or not? 2 4s are 8. This is called quotient. This is called remainder. Same division, but here these are polynomials. In polynomials you can do addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Now we will go for division. Okay. Now if it is there like this, for this divide by symbol, whatever polynomial is there left side, it is called dividend. 3x square plus x plus 1 is dividend. After divided by right side, for divided by symbol, right side is called divisor, x plus 1. Now here 2 terms are there, down also 2 terms only will come. If 3 terms are there, down also 3 terms will come. Now what is first term here? X into how much is equals to 3x square. This x with which you have to multiply to get 3x square. Okay, this if you don't know. Otherwise, if you want to know x before, no number means 1 is there. 1 is there left side. In answer 3 is there. 1 with which you have to multiply to get 3 means 1 table. 1 3 is a 3 or not? You will get 3 here. Next x is there. In answer x square is there. You know x into x is x square. One x is there, another x not there. So for x, if you multiply with 3x, you are getting 3x square. If you not understood this one, so what you have to do is, in this dividend first term you have to write in the numerator. In divisor first term should be written right in the denominator. So x square means x into x only or not? 3 into x square means x into x by x. 1x cancelled. What is remained here? 3x. Here also 3x remained, here also 3x came. This 3x should be there in the quotient. Now what you have to do? These two means this x and 1 should multiply with 3x. Means x into 3x, x into 3x one time, that is 3x square, plus 1 into 3x plus 3x. You have to do subtraction. These two will be cancelled. Plus x minus 3x. Plus x minus 3x. The answer is minus 2x. Minus 2x here. This plus 1 as it is, you have to keep it down. Now again same. Here whatever first term is there in the numerator, here first term should be there in the denominator. X cancelled. What is remained? Minus 2. That minus 2 keep it here. Then x into minus 2 is how much? Minus 2x. Plus 1 into minus 2 how much? Minus 2. So if you subtract, the symbols will be changed, I said or not? These two will be cancelled. 1 plus 2, 3. Remainder is 3. Okay. So like this, it is called division. These divisions are very, very important. Now next we will go for another division, small division. See, this division should be understood means you have to practice well. Okay. For practicing, you can use internet or textbooks of lower and higher. Okay. You can go for 8th class textbooks and also you can go for 10th class textbooks. Now one more smaller one is 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x. You have to divide this entire with x. How you have to do? Same I said, 2x square plus x plus 1 is dividend, x is divisor. So I said this first divided by this first. 2x square divided by x. X cancelled. What is remained here? 2x. X into 2x is how much? 2x square. Previously here 2 terms are there, here 2 came. Here only 1 term, 1 only will come. Subtraction cancelled. This plus x. Here down. Here take this x as down. X into how much is equal to 1 means 1. Otherwise, this term by this term. X by x is 1 only. 1 you have to write here. It is also x. Now if you do subtraction, symbols will be changed. And see, x is the degree of this polynomial is 1. Reminder's degree should be 1 less than the degree of the divisor. So, constant means its degree is 0. This degree is 1. So, 1 is there, 0 is there. So, the division is completed. So, like this divisions you have to practice it. We'll meet you in the next class. Okay.